Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Effie, and today I have a new job lead for you to be a virtual assistant from the comfort of your home. This is a remote work from home job, and all you need is having skills in being organized, dependable, and responsive, detail oriented, able to work independently with minimal supervision, and you should also not be afraid to ask questions. So, guys, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that whenever I upload new job leads, new remote job leads, you will be the first person to apply and grab the opportunities. So, let us just get right into this video. The job description says, I'm the owner of a growing digital marketing agency looking for a virtual assistant to help manage tasks and keep projects on track. The ideal candidate will be highly organized and able to juggle the needs of multiple clients at once. Day-to-day tasks will involve managing my calendar, updating project statuses in ClickUp, messaging me with top priority to-dos, helping me reach deadlines, assisting with report writing, and composing emails. So basically, this client is offering to pay $5 to $8 per hour to start for up to 10 to 20 hours per week. So if you find that this job is suitable for you to try out, you can check it out. I will put the link in the description section so that you can apply as fast as possible, because actually there are so many people right now looking for work at home remote jobs. So you should be able to apply as fast as you see this video so that you will be employed at home. How good is that? So I'll be very happy if one of you grabs this opportunity, and it will actually motivate me to promote to produce more, to bring to you more job leads so that you can try them out. So apply right now. All the best. Good luck.